as I call you my own. Why should I let you go and cry alone? I love you with all my heart, my life, and my soul. It is hard to forget, though how deep my regret. I'm hoping that no one else will take my place tonight, so you can kiss me and then embrace